How crazy is this? 50% of the air that you breathe in your home comes from your crawl space. Today, the pros at Frontier Basement Systems are going to give us some tips on how to keep your crawl space healthy and your home happy in today's Tennessee Home Pros.
Hey, I'm Dustin, and welcome to another episode of Tennessee Home Pros. Welcome to Frontier Basement Systems. So today we're going to talk about crawl spaces and the health inside your home. So there's 4 stages of fixing a crawl space, and the first stage is going to be controlling any water that's inside of your crawl space. The second stage is going to be to isolate the house from the rest of the earth. So you do that using a heavy-duty plastic liner, seal it to any of the foundation walls, the columns, or any of the rest of the foundation. The third part is going to be sealing the outside air off. So it's going to be replacing that old crawl space door with a door that seals nice and tight and sealing off all the outside air. We want all that outside air to not come in. It's just going to be accumulating more mold, mildew, and other allergens inside the house. So once all that's separated, now we have a confined space. We can actually condition the space, and once we condition the space, we can either use conditioned air or we can use a dehumidifier and make sure that the humidity level stays down below 60% so that mold doesn't have a chance of growing inside your crawl space. Every house has different needs, so mention Tennessee Home Pros and we'll give you a free inspection, so give us a call today.
Tennessee Home Pros is sponsored by Frontier Basement Systems, all things basementy.